Do you have a product or service that is being sold on your WordPress site? Do you want others to sell your product for you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, what you're going to want to do is you want to create a WordPress-based affiliate system as your solution. You see, the problem with most third-party affiliate systems is that they don't work too well on WordPress sites. Or if they do, they tend to be very complex WordPress affiliate scripts. Now, there are two obvious problems here that you're going to need to solve. Number one, you're going to need a good strategy. So if you don't have one, I'm going to show you how to create one that makes your affiliates happy by paying them generously and paying them on time. And number two, we're going to take that idea and create a system that molds into your already existing site that has the ability to sell your products and services without having to adjust too much. This way, as a product creator, you can focus more on marketing, getting affiliates, and creating more products. So this is a 7-part step-by-step video course that we've created for you, and this is what we call the WordPress affiliate system. Now, I've created this video training course so that you can look over my shoulder as I take you by the hand and show you how in this step-by-step training. So here is a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about what you need before you get started, and you'll be given a quick overview of everything as a whole so you know exactly what to expect. Video number 2 will talk about the planning process of planning how and what you want to see in your affiliate program. And then, of course, in video number 3, we are going to take that brainstorm planning and we are going to map it out so that you can clearly see the structure, step 1, step 2, and so forth. Video number 4 will take that map and we're going to talk about the different affiliate plugins that are available to you and how you can utilize that map to maybe fulfill the vision that you see in video number 3. And of course, in video number 5, we'll talk about add-on plugins, meaning if you're going to install or you're going to set up a affiliate system, what are some additional features and additional things that you can add on to the affiliate program besides the core features? So you have an idea of the different options you can do, like you can maybe pay people via a certain payment processor, or you can give them like lifetime commissions, or it really depends on what your vision is. Video number 6 and 7 is the setup process, setup part number 1 and part number 2. And we're going to show you how to take what you've just planned, what you've just structured as a mind map, and implement them utilizing the recommended affiliate plugins. So with that said, go ahead and grab this video series now and learn how you can set up your own WordPress affiliate system so that you can focus on growing and scaling your business. Hello and welcome to video number 3. We're going to talk about taking what we planned and brainstormed in the previous video and create a mind map so that you're able to structure everything. And that way you're able to say, okay, I'm here, I'm almost done, rather than, just going off and trying to do it based on the list. All right, so you can use anything that you want. I just happen to be using a web mind mapping software called Lucid Chart. That is LUCIDCHART.com. So that's lucidchart.com. It does cost a little bit money. It's about not a lot of money per month, but it's very useful in terms of structuring, taking ideas, and then planning them out. Okay, so I have the list here, and because I already went over it with you in the previous video, I'm not going to make it any bigger. So what we're trying to do is just trying to get an idea of what it actually looks like. So obviously in the middle, we have the affiliate program. And let's put this one here. So let's say this is your affiliate person and they have a link. So let's say this is their custom affiliate link. they send their traffic to the customer or custom affiliate link, which then goes through your affiliate program, which then goes to the product or service on your WordPress site. So this is essentially the central base. Okay, so the affiliate, or down here, is the WordPress site that's selling your product or service. And you can color code this later on, but right now I'm just taking what we discussed and putting it on paper. So we talked about over here how we wanted to give the last referral the commission. So I'm going to make this bold here. So the custom affiliate link and the affiliate program, we are going to make another box, perhaps for commissions. So let's actually utilize this. I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to make another one here that says customer buys a product. So this person refers this person. So this refers here. So this goes through here, which then it goes through here. And then of course the customer that is directed is going to make the purchase. And we've decided that the affiliate would be the last referral that's awarded. And because that's kind of moving into that territory, I'm going to expand it a little bit here like that. All right, so we have that down. We have custom affiliate links. We can do that. We have that here, so we're good to go here. So I'm going to bold anything that I am finished with. Coupon code specific to the affiliate. So we could say custom coupon codes, like that. We talked about tracking, so we definitely want a system that has detailed tracking. Like that. Now, in terms of commissions, let's make another box here. And let's push this upward like that, so everything is uniform. And let's call this commissions. And I think we determined that we're going to give people lifetime commissions. So that's really up to you, whether you do lifetime, whether you do monthly, whether you do initial sale, and that's it. It's really up to you. So customer buys a product, and then the affiliate gets the lifetime commissions. So customer buys the product. Oops. And then the affiliate then gets the lifetime commissions. So we talked about tiered affiliate programs where you can have a JV broker at the top with 10%, and then they refer a group of affiliates. So to keep things simple, I don't think you need that to start out with. That's something that you can add on later on. And that's something that you definitely want to keep in mind as you grow. But for now, let's just keep it simple because we want to get it up and running as fast as we can. So it says, how much money can they get? Okay, we talked about that. How fast can they get the money? So I think this really depends on the affiliate system that we use. So for the most part, if you can do instant payouts, that would be a plus. So let's put that down here. Lifetime commissions. Commission payment schedule. So we talked about instant payments, or we talked about after refund period. So let's just put a box here and say options. And we have instant payouts, or we can do after refund period. And for the most part, most affiliates understand that if they have to wait after the period, the refund period, that's fine. But you just don't want to wait too long. So let's go down here, different commissions, different levels. That's something that you definitely want to have, especially when you grow in the future. You can give certain affiliates more commission as they make more sales. So let's say lifetime commissions, commission payment. Let's just make another box here and call this different payout levels. And like so, and there we go. So to make things less complicated, I'm going to color code it. So anything related to the affiliate program, I'm going to make that, let's say, green. So detailed tracking is part of the affiliate program, and it's something we definitely want. So you could make a color green that you definitely want, and then maybe a different color as an option. So for example, custom coupon codes may not necessarily be mandatory, but it's something that you might want. And if that's the case, maybe you make a different color. So blue is anything that is optional, and then green is perhaps mandatory. So lifetime commissions, different level payouts, commission payment schedule. So lifetime commissions depends on you. I would make that, in this case, green. And then commission payment schedule. That's just a concept. So this is the actual piece right here. So that's green. Different payout levels. We're going to make that optional because it's not really required necessarily. All right, so let's make people the color pink. So pink and pink. And the WordPress site, we'll make that orange. And there we go. So you definitely want to write down or have an idea of the color coding. So we got affiliate, they send a custom affiliate link, they send the customer clicks the affiliate link, they get sent here. Then they get credited if the customer buys through the WordPress site, makes a purchase, and then when the customer buys, then they get lifetime commissions. And then in terms of the payment schedule, it is instant payouts or after the refund period, different payout levels, detailed tracking is must. So in terms of the things that are required, we need an affiliate program that can offer detailed tracking, lifetime or whatever commissions that you want, and then either instant payouts or refund period, and custom affiliate link, and the last referral. But for the most part, like I said, affiliates want to know how much money can they make and how fast can they make that money. So how much money with lifetime commissions, that enables them to earn a lot more money. So whereas they promoted an affiliate program with a competitor, let's say, for example, they would get maybe $20 or $100. But with lifetime commissions, they can make anywhere from $20 to who knows what, 500,000, whatever. So they make more money with your program and they get paid quickly. All right, so that is the mind map, and we've basically taken everything that we discussed and made it visual. So now that we have done this, in the next video, we're going to talk about the different affiliate plugins that will integrate into WordPress that are available to you.